difference between escape and capture. When lions begin the chase, there is no turning back. Lions rely on teamwork strategy, and such or a pride of lions managed to take down a massive buffalo. Today, we bring you 12 incredible lion hunting and chasing their prey caught on camera. Now let's get started. In the wild, zebras are among the most common food sources for lions. On average, a female lion requires about 5 kilograms of meat each day. And the zebra is soon caught and overwhelmed. Even as it struggles for a final chance to break free, facing multiple lions leaves little opportunity to escape. Buffaloes are massive hoofed animals that provide enough nourishment to sustain an entire pride of lions. A fully grown buffalo can weigh anywhere from 300 to over 800 kilograms. Because of this size, buffaloes offer a high energy return, making them a valuable target when lions seek to maximize the benefit of their effort. A buffalo attempts to call for help as it is surrounded by a pride of lions. Remarkably, the distress calls draw the attention of the herd, which rushes in and briefly forces the lions to back away. For a moment, it seems like help has arrived. However, as more lions begin to gather, the herd hesitates and eventually retreats. Left alone, once again, the buffalo is overtaken by the pride and ultimately becomes a vital food source for the group. A lioness manages to secure a large buffalo for her pride, but the situation quickly changes as the rest of the herd moves in to defend their fallen member. Surprisingly, the lioness holds her ground and refuses to give up the prize, likely driven by intense hunger.
Yeah, it bouge plus. Suffocating.
This is worth the whole trip.
For a moment, determination keeps her in place.
Oh, they're all coming. If they're all coming around her.
But as more buffalo arrive and the pressure increases, the balance shifts.
He's not dead. He's not dead yet. Wow. Buffaloes, they don't give up. You see what they're all
Outnumbered and facing growing risk, the lioness is eventually forced to withdraw, leaving the prey behind.
From that buffalo, you're not going to move.
So if it doesn't die now,
They all come to help.
but why? How come the